I spent $7,995 on a gallon of gas. I did that because I had a 325 BMW. Mark Morris told tobeatobroke.com. Let me finish this story. And this is during when the high gas prices were high back in 2007, 2008. Shot up to 329, 357. So I was like, okay, I can make money by just since I had a Beamer, I thought, oh, I could go fast and glide down the hills, and because the car goes down fast down the hills, and try not to drive fast. I remember I was trying to buy gas from some of these cheaper places. Subscribe. Mark Morris, tobeatobroke.com. Buying gas for some of these cheaper places, and I wouldn't get gas until the indicator went to E. And I guess what ended up happening was eventually something happened with the fuel pump. I was driving on the I-10 freeway, going east, heading from San Bernardino to Yucca Valley, and then the engine just cut off. I was like, what's going on? What's going on? And then it turned out to be that it was the fuel pump. It went out. So it was like $7,900, at least $7,995 to pay it off. So subscribe. So that's how I ended up spending at least $7,000 on a fuel pump. But luckily the car was still under warranty, and we think it was possibly a defect, so I didn't have to pay for it.